In this video, I will show you how to add Namecheap domain to Cloudflare. First of all, you need to log into your Cloudflare account and then you need to write your domain name right here. If you don't remember your domain, you can go back to Namecheap, log into your account, click on your profile name in the top left corner and go to the dashboard. Then go to the domain list and here you will see your own domains list. You can copy the domain you want to connect to Cloudflare and paste it right here. From these three options, you can leave it on the first one, which is recommended, and click continue. Alright guys, now we need to choose the plan. In my case, I will choose the free plan. Then you need to scroll all the way down and click continue to activation. And now it's important part, we need to update our name servers. So here are Cloudflare name servers. We need to copy the first one and let's go to the Namecheap. We need to click on manage across to our domain. And right here we'll see name server section. You need to scroll this down and choose custom DNS. And we need to paste the first name server here. Then we need to copy the second one and paste it in the second row. And we need to click this tick right here, which is the save button. And that's all. Now we need to wait a few hours and our domain will be connected to the Cloudflare. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.